Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important questions related to soil fertility, which have been asked in many of the competitive exams. And we have also uploaded the videos related to general agriculture and all the other subjects related to agriculture. And the links of those videos have been given in the description box. Please check it out. Now let's get into the video. Here we are with our first question. The state which uses highest fertilizer per acre is Telangana. Telangana is a state which uses highest fertilizer per acre. Which of the following is organic fertilizer? Urea and calcium cyanide are the organic fertilizers. The fertilizer having less than 25% of primary nutrients is called as low analysis fertilizers. Chemical fertilizer that contain only one primary nutrient or only one major nutrient in the available form is called as straight fertilizer. Nitrogen present in urea fertilizer in the form of amide. The formula is CO twice NH2. After application of urea to the soil, which undergoes hydrolysis to produce unstable compound called as ammonium carbonate. And water-soluble phosphorus fertilizers, phosphorus is present as monocalcium phosphate. Dicalcium phosphate is rock phosphate plus HCl. Rock phosphate plus HCl is called as dicalcium phosphate. First permanent manurial experiment in India was started at Kanpur. Fertilizer Quality Control Organization is located in Faridabad. The capacity of the soil to resist the change in pH is called as buffering capacity. Buffering capacity is the capacity of the soil to resist the change in pH. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called as pH. Thyroid disease occurs due to the deficiency of zinc and due to the toxicity of iron. Liming factor general range is 1 to 3. Scab disease in root crops is increased by overliming. Overliming increases the scab disease in root crops. Shoemaker et al. Method is used for the purpose of lime requirement. The process of development of saline soils is called as salinization. The deficient element in the calcareous soils is iron, zinc and boron. All the three elements are deficient in calcareous soils. Sodium absorption ratio depends on which law? Sodium absorption ratio depends on Schofield's ratio law. pH is less than 8.5. Exchangeable sodium percentage greater than 15. Electric conductivity greater than 4 are related to which type of soils? Saline alkali soils have pH less than 8.5. Exchangeable sodium percentage greater than 15, electric conductivity greater than 4. The substance which is applied for the soil to improve their condition is called as an amendment. An amendment is a substance which is applied to the soil to improve their condition. The water erosion which is not noticed by the farmers is sheet erosion. The stages of water erosion are splash, sheet, rill, gully and ravine. Among erosion which is not noticeable by the farmers is sheet erosion. Universal soil loss equation is given by Wishmuir and Smith. The movement of soil particles by rolling or sliding process is called as surface creep. Surface creep is the movement of soil particles by rolling or sliding process. Behavior of plant relation to the day length is called as photoperiodism. Photoperiodism is the behavior of a plant in relation to the day length. Percent yield concept is given by Burl. High analysis phosphorus fertilizer is triple superphosphate. High analytical fertilizers contains greater than 25% of the primary nutrients. Widely used potassic fertilizer in the world is KCl, that is MOP. Widely used nitrogenous fertilizer is urea. Widely used phosphorus fertilizer is DAP, diammonium phosphate. Exchangeable acidity is called as salt replaceable acidity. If the sodic soils occur in small areas, they are often called as slick spots. Saline soils are also called as Solon chalks or white alkali soils. The association between fungi and roots of higher plants is called as vascular arbuscular mycorrhiza, which mobilizes phosphorus and makes it available to the plants. Which of the following is ultra micronutrient? Molybdenum is ultra micronutrient. The only nutrient which might be supplied completely by root interception is phosphorus. Phosphorus is the only nutrient which might be supplied completely by root interception. Two elements which are associated with biological nitrogen fixation are iron and molybdenum. Iron and molybdenum are the two elements which are associated with the biological nitrogen fixation. Father of nanotechnology is Richard Feynman. The science that describes the behavior of soil-water system in moist to semi-fluid state is called as rheology. The size of macro watershed is greater than 50,000 hectares and that of sub-macro watershed is 10,000 to 50,000 hectares. Most of the nitrogen present in the soil as nitrate form. An impurity is present in urea which is toxic to plants is biurate. Biurate is an impurity that is present in urea and is toxic to plants. Aqua regia is a mixture of HNO3 and HCl. Eutrophication is the enrichment of which of the following elements? Eutrophication is the enrichment of nitrates and phosphorus. Which of the following fertilizer is not manufactured in India? MOP is not manufactured in India. So MOP, that is KCl, is highly imported from other countries to India. Pink color of nodule is due to the presence of leg hemoglobin. Most salt tolerant grass is kernel grass. Rothamsted Agriculture Experiment Station is founded by John Bennett Laws in England. The following instrument used to measure leaching and evapotranspiration is lysimeter. Lysimeter is an instrument used to measure leaching and evapotranspiration. White muzzle disease or nutritional muscular dystrophy in livestock is caused by selenium deficiency. Which element is required for photolysis of water? Manganese is the element that is required for photolysis of water. The first organic compound synthesized from inorganic chemicals is urea. To keep in touch with us, you can also follow a WhatsApp group and the number is displayed on the screen. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, Agrico's World.